I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bells. There's a new one of these each week. This is episode 73, and we're talking about no representation. North Carolina is a Caveat Emptor state, which basically means buyer beware. It's on the buyer to do their due diligence, inspect, and determine if a property is the right one for them. North Carolina requires RPOD, which is a residential property owner's disclosure, and a mineral oil and gas rights disclosure. It's the opportunity for the seller to state no representation, meaning they're choosing to say nothing about that particular question. It's not necessarily a red flag if a seller uses this option. We live in a litigious society, and misrepresentation is a serious accusation. No representation is a way that sellers can protect themselves, and buyers and their agents should be doing their own due diligence with reputable vendors to ensure they're getting all the info they need to make wise decisions. There's also some benefit in doing your own home inspection as a seller prior to the listing that includes the removal of some liability with a licensed home inspector. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other popular social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe on each so you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.